Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today's episode will be a very interesting place. We're at this famous street called Myeongdong, and it is a famous eatery street, right, with lots of small street food. This street sound is totally off the rooftops. Everywhere there's vendors shouting, there's crowds, this K-pop sound that's blasting around. This is totally vibed, a street style of Seoul. It might be freezing here in the weather. If you're looking around, there's lots of snow, leftover ice from yesterday's snowing. The weather is around -6 to -8 degrees, definitely cold, but the street is absolutely on fire. Let me give you a heads up, there is over 200 stores here. Every store here, right, over half of it is packed with people. Today, my agenda for the video will be to navigate through this entire maze of street food to find the best food for dining. So stay on, keep watching. Looking at all these stalls that we have filmed and visit, have you noticed the similarities within them? There's mostly made of grill and fried food. Look at that huge flame that's grilling. Why mostly is grilled and fried? Because right now it's absolutely freezing here, and most of the time, to make it convenient to eat this type of food, is easy to carry around while you're walking on the street and munching a piece of fried chicken maybe, or maybe a grilled seafood. The tip here is to go for the stalls, right, that are packed with crowds. Lots of people, they are queuing here. And if they are local Koreans, all the best, because they are obsessed with good food and they only go for the best stalls to eat. So this is the famous tanghulu, where they froze fruits like strawberries and grapes in a hard shell that's sugar coated. You'll definitely notice from my video lots of stores that sell these sweets in this street. Another specialty of the Korean street food is fish paste. They use it as a base to stuff into all sorts of seafood and eateries. It's definitely a stable source of protein for the local people. Big pots of oil is available everywhere in different stores. Frying food. As what we are known, Korea is famous for fried chicken. But not only chicken, they can fry everything and anything they can get their hands on. Be it seafood, be it pork, anything, they will fry it to make sure it's crispy. Another well-known structure of Korean food is spices, or rather chili. If you see any food that is red in color, the chances is 99% spicy. So take note, if you can't handle your chili, stay away from the red color. Something that I already got to praise so is their lighting. The whole entire street lighting is well designed, vibrant, crowds that flock from all over the world are gathered here, not only at this street, but in Korea. Being guided as one of the top tourist places in the whole world, Korea is famous for international visitors, be it Asia, Middle East, Europe, or even American sites. Seafood is definitely very common on the street area, from the common ones like shrimp, squid and octopus, to shellfish like oyster, clams, mussels and scallops. Huge variety of choice. Their price range is also in a friendly cost, a range of 5 to 10 or even $20 per serving. Feel free to order anything you want without breaking your wallet. Now, I would like to give some tip if you're going to visit Myeongdong Street. Here have lots of food choice and it is definitely confusing to know what food to go at the start. So don't be blind to just randomly pick your food the moment you saw it. Take a time, give you a little stroll, walk around in the street for a bit before you decide that what do you want to eat. Most of the portion here served by the street stalls are huge. So a couple of food and you'll be full. Save your bullets for your stomach and make your choice carefully. For me, my strategy is pretty simple. I will always prioritize protein. So after my protein, I will go with some veggies or carbs, ending with some sweets. That's my rule book, be it in any countries that I'm traveling. Always work in any part of the world. So we are coming to the end of this street video. Lots of street food here. Any food caught your choice? What's your preference like? Do you like fried food? Or you like grilled one? Or the stewed? All these are great choice. Comment down below and let us know your thoughts. Be sure to follow the channel for more stories as I keep my travel around the world for more food and vibe.